Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to apply for a permanent resident of United States of America, which is commonly known as green card, right? So before starting the video, before discussing about the details, first you have to open your Google browser. You have to mention here USCIS, okay? United States Citizenship of Immigration Services, right? You have to click enter. Then you have to a new website will be open. You have to see here USCIS homepage, right? You have to click here and you will get the details here, how to register for the green card, what are the steps are there, how to fill it, and what are the procedure you have to follow it, and how much money you have to pay. Full we will discuss about later, okay? You have to you see here on the screen, right? Here is the details of the homepage, okay? How you should apply it for the green card, right? Which is also known as permanent resident card, right? So here you can see here form section is there, right? First one, form section is there, right? You have to click here and you will get apply for the green card, right? See here. So you have to click here for apply for a green card, right? You have to just click it here, apply for the green card. So before going through this process, how to apply, how to register, what are the details or you have to fill, I will tell you the 5 visas which you can apply for the green card, right? So here you can see here form details are there, right? You have to download this form 1485, right? So before going through this, I want to discuss with you the 5 visas for the citizenship of the US, right? First one is the investment visa, okay? Before investment visa, what is the investment visa? Before you want to get it, what is citizenship? Means the persons which the birth take place in the US only, okay? The birth take place in the US only. That person is known as citizenship of the America, right? United States of America. So for that person, that is the permanent citizen of the America only, right? So they will definitely get the PR, which is known as permanent resident, right? So first one is the in this video I will discuss about the 5 visas, okay? First one is the investment visa, second one is the family visa, third one is the asylum visa, fourth one is the marriage based visa, and fifth one is the employment based immigration visa, and sixth one you can count it as a green card lottery, right? So in this video, first one is the investment visa. What is investment visa? If you are an Indian citizen and you have a huge business here, you have a company here, you are a huge businessman here. So you want a green card holder, you want a PR of the United States of America, you want to live here, and you want to take the facility of the green card. So what you want to do is you have to invest a 5 lakh American dollar, which is equals to approximately around 3 lakhs of the Indian rupees, right? 3 crore of the Indian rupees, sorry, 3 crore of the Indian rupees. You have to invest at least 5 lakhs of the dollar, American dollar, and which is approximately equals to 3 crore of the Indian rupees, right? So if you invest this, you can easily get the green card, right? So after you getting green card or before getting green card, if you go into United States and live there, then you will get the citizenship also easily, right? After some years you will get the citizenship, right? Next one is the family based visa, okay? For example, you have in a family there are 5 members and you are the elder one. So 4 members are living in the India, okay? You are living from so many years, you are living in the United States of America, and you are a green card holder also, you are a PR holder also. So you can apply for your brother, your sister, your mother or father after you getting a PR only, okay? After you getting a citizenship green card only, then only you can apply for your brother, your sister or your family members, okay? And you can apply to your all family members also, right? You can apply to your all family members also. It is a slow process. It can take up to 5 years or it can take up to 8 years also, right? So this is the family visa, right? Next one is the asylum visa is there. Asylum visa is for those who are visited America, who are coming from the India or Pakistan, Sri Lanka, China, okay? But they don't want to go to the return to their country, okay? So they are interested in the America only. They have a huge craziness about the India, about the US only. So they don't want to return to their own home country. So they can apply for the asylum visa. For this asylum visa, this is a very hard process, and the American will not consider for this. They will deport many candidates, and somehow get this opportunity for asylum visa only, okay, right? Next one is the marriage based visa. Fourth one is the marriage based visa. For example, you are an Indian and you are visiting the United States of America, and there, if you marry their Indian citizen, if you marry their Indian girl or an American girl which is a PR holder, which is a permanent resident holder, then you will get this green card also after 3 years of living there. Okay, after 3 or 5 years you will get easily this green card. Okay, so this is a very easy process if you marry a girl who is living with a PR holder. Okay, after that, if you marry there of anyone you can marry. If you go to the US, and you can marry a Pakistani girl also, a Indian girl also, or a US girl also, or a Chinese girl also, or a Egyptian girl also, but she must have a PR of the US. Okay, he must have the green card of the America. Then only you will get as a husband, you will get after 3 years, you will get as a citizenship and the green card of the America, right? Next one is the employment based immigration process. In this process also you will get the green card, but this is a very long process. 5 years it will take the time, right? And after that you will get citizenship also. Next one is the green card lottery. You can get direct green card of the America, United States of America, but this is a very late process. It can take up to years also, but this is a green card lottery. But according to me, this will not be for India in 2019 and 2020. You can see in the list also here. You can see in the list also in this form. So this is not for India in 2019 and 2020, according to me, right? So these are the some of the 6 visas I have told you before. If you are interested for green card in the America, right? So you can see on the screen here, you can see application to register permanent residence, right, or adjust status. So here you can use this first one section is for the America government only. You don't want to fill this and this. You can print it out and take the print, or you can print it out and take this application form, and you can fill it by hand. Okay, and you can submit to the US government, right? You can submit online also, right? This is a huge process. And what is the fees you can see here. So before considering this, you have to know what is the details of this, right? You have to know the first details, right? Here you can see the instructions form, right? What are the instructions for filling this citizenship green card form, right? So this is important. What are the instructions you have to follow, right? So we will, before considering the application, we have to first know what are the rules of there, and how much amount a Indian have to pay, right? See here, this table of contents are there. Your all details questions are there. It's for you. Okay, so please see this, right? And fees details also is there, right? 56,000 fees is there for the Indian if you want to apply for the this registration form for the US citizenship, right? So about myself, I will tell you about my small introduction. I am Mohammad Kamran from India. Okay, I will upload this kind of education videos only. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. If you like the video, don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you, friends.